This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hello guys, this is Arifur and welcome to HTML Basic for Beginners. In this lecture, I will show you how to use attribute in paragraph. At first, you have to open Notepad++ software. You have to input the HTML structure. Now I am inputting doc type HTML. Then I have to input HTML tag start, then HTML tag close. Now I want to input head start, then head close. Then I want to input body start, then body close. Then I have to input footer start, then footer close. Now I want to input title tag in the middle of the head tag. Just pressing some enter here. Then I want to input title start. This is my first HTML. Now I have to close the title tag. Title tag close. Now I want to input paragraph tag in the middle of the body. So I am clicking on here and pressing some enter. From here I want to start paragraph tag, so I am clicking on here, inputting paragraph tag. Here paragraph tag start, then I want to input paragraph. This is my first paragraph. Then I want to close the paragraph tag. Here paragraph tag close. I have to input attribute in here, so I am clicking on here, pressing space, typing title. Then I have to input the title on here and to type example. In this way you have to use attribute in paragraph. Now you have to save this HTML document, so click on save icon, select the desktop. You have to open web design folder from the desktop. This is the web design folder. Just double click on it. Then you have to type attribute in paragraph. You have to change the CSS type. Just click on here. Then you have to select hypertext markup language file. Just click on it. Then click on save. Now you have to close this document. Just close the document. Then close Notepad++ software. Now you have to open the web design folder. Now right click on attribute in paragraph. Then move your mouse pointer to open with. You can use any browser from here. I want to open with Google Chrome, so I am clicking on Google Chrome. Now if I move my mouse pointer to paragraph, you can see the attribute of the paragraph. I hope you are able to learn how to use attribute in paragraph. See you guys in the next lecture.